Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create an arc and ellipse in detail. In draw toolbar there is a arc command. This is a 3-point arc, 3-point. Click on this. Start point of arc, suppose this, and the second point one is this, and this is 3-point arc. Next one is start, center, end. Start point of arc, center, and end. End is this one. Okay, ortho is on. Third one is start, center, and angle. In this you have to specify start point, center point, and then angle. Start, center, and the angle is, suppose angle is 45 degree. Enter. Arc, you can see here. Start, center, and length. You have to specify start point, center point, and then length. Suppose this is start point, center point, and the length of arc is suppose 400. Enter. This is arc. Next one is start, end, and angle. This is start point, suppose, end point, and the angle suppose is 45. Enter. Delete this one. Start, end, and direction. Click here. Start point, end point is this, and the direction will be, sorry, escape. Start and direction. Start point of arc, end point of arc, and the direction will be this or this. If I want here arc, click here. Next is start, end, and radius. Start point of arc, end point, and the radius, suppose radius is 200. Enter. Next one is center, start, end. You have to specify center point of arc, then start, end. Next is center, start, and angle. This is center point, start point, angle, suppose I want 90 degree. Enter. Next one is center, start, length. Center point, start point, length is suppose 500. Continue arc. In this I can continue draw another arc from here. Suppose I click again continue arc. I delete all this. Continue. You can directly draw an arc in continue arc also. See. escape, delete all this. Okay, next one is ellipse. We will learn rectangle, and first off we learn polygon. Now let's, in this arrow if I click, here are two tools, rectangle and polygon. Click on polygon, enter number of sides. Suppose I enter 5. Center of polygon, suppose inscribe in circle. This, suppose I draw a circle. Now I click a polygon, enter size 5. Okay, center of polygon is this, inscribed in circle. Next one is about circle. Here is ellipse command. 3 types of ellipse: center, axis, and an elliptical arc. First I delete all this. If you want to delete all, select one and Ctrl plus A. Then all will select it. Then enter delete button. Now center, specify the center of ellipse. End point of ellipse. Next is in this rotation, this will create. Center means you have to create a center of ellipse. Specify end point of axis. Suppose this is end point. Now another end point will be, suppose is 300. Okay, delete this one, Ctrl plus A, delete. Next, axis end. In this you have to specify first axis, then end. Axis endpoint, first one, this is my axis, and another axis is suppose 400. Suppose axis is 250. Enter. Next one is elliptical arc. In this you can create an arc by using ellipse. First of all delete this one. Elliptical arc. Specify axis end point of elliptical arc. This is end point. This is another end point. Then rotation. This will create arc by using ellipse. Elliptical arc. In this you have to specify first endpoint, another endpoint, then you have to specify rotation. Suppose from I want a 0 degree to 0. If I enter, then it will create a circle. Delete this one. Endpoint, another endpoint, then enter. My start angle is 0, included angle is, next end of angle is, suppose I want from 0 to 90 degree arc. Enter. This arc will be created. In this video we will we completed arc and the ellipse command. In next video we will complete rectangle and the hatch command in detail. Thanks.